Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit maps, create multiple maps, delete maps and manage them on Philips HOMERUN 2000. To do it, click on the settings in top right corner, then click on my maps, and now you can see that I have a map right here. You can add a new one by clicking on plus, then you will be able to map a new map. So it's useful, for example, if you have multiple floors, etc. And you can also delete maps, edit them, or click on this button right here to rename your map, for example, floor 1 or floor 0. Or if you have multiple homes, whatever, you can just store them here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.